Hello YouTube. So now I'll be showing you guys how to save your WhatsApp status. Yeah, so this is very simple. You just need to follow my steps. It's going to work perfectly. So now I'll be choosing a picture for a random picture for my status. So I'm going to use this. I'll use this picture. So now what you're going to do here is that you're going to move to your folders, where your folders are. So yeah, so you move to where your folders are. So you're going to move to whatsapp here. Move to WhatsApp and move to media and move to statuses. So I'll be looking for the picture I said I will save. I'm going to save it, so give me a second. So I think let me pause this so I can look for the pic. So okay, now so this is the picture I'll be saving. Wait a second. So this is it. So I'll be saving this. Wait, give me a second. Move back. So I'll be saving this picture. So you can choose to move, or you choose to copy. So now I'll copy this to my downloads. So I'll paste here. See what is done. Okay, it's done. I think it's done. So let's move to a gallery. So move to gallery. Wait. Okay, now so now you can see this. You can see the picture. You can see the picture now download. So this is it. So this is very simple. Just follow my steps. If you have any question or any problem, you can just comment below. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if this is your first time watching my video.